It's a cold and wet, rainy Friday here in the UK, but I have a box that's arrived from the USA. So I'm going to ignore the weather and I'm going to open up and see what's inside. We have a Level 1 Tech's mouse mat. With the folks themselves. What a fine work of art. But wait, what's this? Also in the box we have an AMD Ryzen 5 5600X 3D. When AMD announced this processor just recently, we thought that looks interesting. Clearly from the specification it's a cut down Ryzen 7 5800X 3D, i.e. 6 cores rather than 8, but with the all important stacked 3D cache. Not only interesting, but also cheap. However, sadly for we Brits and for a great many Americans, you can only buy this processor in the USA if you walk into your local micro center, and many people don't have a local micro center, including us. So we reached out to Level 1 Techs, hence the mouse mat, and we said, Wendell, can you help us? And Wendell replied,
I don't know what I'm doing, and it's just gonna be random crazy stuff because I don't know what I'm doing, and that's okay.
And then he replied further, and he said, sure thing, I'll be happy to help out. And he has. So I have in my hand probably the very last processor going to be released for the AM4 platform, and obviously the idea is it's a really cheap drop-in upgrade for gamers who don't yet want to switch to a new motherboard and DDR5 memory. The next step is going to be a whole bunch of benchmarking and then we'll run a review. But in the meanwhile, Wendell, thanks. You are a diamond geezer.